So guys, we are on our way to Sainsbury's to have a little look around, see if there's anything new, to do some food reviews. So drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get into this. How much are baked beans? 45 pence. Bloody rip off. £4.50. Peri peri sauce up there, £4.10. We got slow cooked steak kidney, creamy chicken, braised beef and butter bean. No.
This one.
The spinach Greek feta or cauliflower cheese.
Yeah, that one.
This one. I'm gonna go for the slow cooked steak, red wine and bacon. Yeah, we're gonna go and try that. This for £5. Okay, so today's haul, we've got sweet honey barbecue pork rib rack. We've also got the Wasabi Chicken Teriyaki Chicken Teriyaki. And then we got the Higgity. So we've got slow cooked steak, red wine and bacon pie with chestnut mushrooms. So first we're going to try the chicken teriyaki. So let's move them to the side and let's see what we got. So the chicken teriyaki, how much did that cost? £4.80. And let's have a look. Let's take it out of the packet. Right. So first of all, it's 430 grams. It's microwave and oven. Cooked from chill. So you got the ingredients right there. You can pause the video if you need to. It's a recyclable sleeve. Bowl's recyclable and tray is recyclable. So that's good. Has it got a traffic light? No. So what does it say? Tender pieces of charred grilled chicken marinated in a sticky teriyaki sauce served on a bed of flavoursome noodles. After years working as a chef in Asia, our founder, Mr. Kim, sensed an opportunity to offer high quality sushi and flavourful hot bento meals to the UK. He started with a stall in Camden Market over 20 years ago. Everything made with tasty, authentic ingredients. Today that passion for delicious Asian food remains, whether it's served in our restaurants or through our range of meals to enjoy at home or work. So if you want to have a look at the nutritional value, it's right there. So what's the best? Microwave. We're going to microwave it on an outer bento bowl. So apparently there's a bowl. Well, there we go. Comes with its own little bowl, but I don't think I'll be using that. Like, not very clean, is it? Something's leaked. Okay, we removed that. Pierce film several times. There we go. That should be enough. And so 5 minutes on 900 watt. So 5 minutes at 900 watt. Okay, we have to give it a quick stir halfway through. Looks nice, smells nice. Oh, you got to add 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, we've got the water, and in it goes. Okay, this is all done. I've dished it out for 2 people. Okay, we have we have it out and there's some nice bits of meat in there. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, that's really nice. £4.80 nice. It's a bit on the pricey side, but it is very nice, guys. But out of 10, what would I give it? I'm going to say 7.5 out of 10. It is really nice. Got some nice flavours. You do get, I think there's 5 bits of meat in there. So yeah, thumbs up for Wasabi. Really nice. So anyway, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Bye.